Welcome to Sauce Beast Pro. In this video, we'll show you how to sign up for OnlyFans step by step so you can get started quickly and easily. Step 1. Open your browser and go to OnlyFans.com. This is the official website where you can create your account, so make sure you type it in correctly. Step 2. Click on the profile icon in the top left corner and select Login. This will take you to the page where you can either log in or sign up. Step 3. Click on Sign Up or Sign Up for OnlyFans if that's the option you see. This will open the registration form where you can enter your details. Step 4. Enter your full name. Make sure you use your real name if you want your account to be verified later. Step 5. Enter your email address. This is important for account recovery and receiving important updates from OnlyFans. Step 6. Create and enter a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Step 7. Click Sign Up. Your account will be created and you'll be ready to explore the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Sauce Beast Pro for more helpful guides.